Remember these golden rules. Always concentrate on what you're doing. Look carefully around before moving off and look in the direction of travel. Always look up when lifting the mast and always make sure you have sufficient overhead clearance for doorways, pipes, lights and cables. Remember the rear end swing when operating the truck. You know, but not everyone around you may be so careful. When approaching a blind corner, slow down, maneuver slowly. Be prepared to stop and sound the horn to let others know you're there. Always stay in control. Keep one hand on the steering wheel. Travel at a speed suited to the conditions and avoid making sharp turns or sudden stops. If you come across debris on the floor, don't drive over it. Stop, park safely and remove it. The next driver may not spot it, resulting in an accident. Always take care of yourself. Never allow any part of your body to stick out from the safety of the cab, and when mounting and dismounting the truck, use the 3 points of contact rule. Face the truck and use the hand grips and steps provided. Look around for hazards and don't jump. Every year in the UK there are thousands of reportable accidents involving forklift trucks, many of them very serious and several resulting in fatalities. Accidents don't just happen. They are caused by things like operator error, inadequate supervision, doing things too fast, ground and working conditions, poor equipment conditions, or complacency. Remember the message in this video and your training. Be safe, look after yourself and everything around you.